Hello guys, greetings from Team Courage. Today we are going to discuss about this IB ACIU paper and specifically Tier 1. So this is a 3-tiered paper. Tier 1 is of 100 marks, Tier 2 is of 50 marks, interview is of 100 marks. So Tier 1 therefore becomes important, very important for your final selection. Also Tier 1 has 100 marks, 100 questions, 100 MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. 4 choices are there, only one option is correct. Negative marking 1/4 is there. So it has 5 sections, that is English, Quant, that is mathematics, reasoning, general studies and general awareness. 20 marks each, 20 questions each. Total time given to solve all these 100 questions is 1 hour. Now as you can see, this English, Quant and reasoning, that is QER, manages 60 of your 100 total marks and therefore forms a big crunch of your total marks. So it becomes important to kind of focus here. But again, since only 6 days or 7 days are remaining for this Tier 1, so here are some general tricks and tips, that you must consider before to plan for these 6 days and while giving the exam, right? First is that focus on sections you think are weak. So the sections that you think among these 5 are not fully prepared and may need some hard work and may need some work, so you can focus. For example, you have English, Quant, reasoning prepared but are lacking in general studies and general awareness, so you can brush up on these. Like you can check December 2020 and January 2021 current affairs for general awareness, and for general studies you can practice some mocks and solve some questions. On the other hand, if you have these two prepared and you are lacking in any one of these sections, you can again solve some questions. So the major thing to do to prepare any section and to revise the existing prepared sections is practice. So practice, although I understand there's only 5 days left, but still you have time to practice previous year questions, mocks and relevant questions. Relevant questions are important because you may find a plethora of irrelevant questions that is not pertinent to this exam. So, but you have to focus on relevant questions only. And previous year also. So previous year there is no official answer key as per this Ministry of Home Affairs. There is no official answer key given for previous year. So there are many wrong answers floating. Many, as I've seen in several places, many wrong answers floating around. So you have to apply your brain, and if you have any doubt, recheck. We can help you in this case by, as we have maintained a set of very correct previous year solutions, and we have also included relevant questions for this IB. So you can check out our Telegram channel for the same. We can help you in that regard. But again, wherever you can find this relevant questions, mocks and previous year, for practicing, I'm telling you, you need to do that. But again, one more thing that is more important in practicing in these few days is definitely revision. So even if you don't practice and revise what you have already prepared, it strengthens it types of makes sure that you have these many marks prepared. अगर आपने English prepare की है या आपने GS prepare किया है, and if you don't revise, then you'll get confused in your strong sections only, and this will not bode well. This will not turn out well for you. So revise, and this revision should run parallel to the practice. So this should not stop on account of any other thing that you're doing. So revise in this 3-4 days or 5 days as much as you can. Again, an important thing to notice here is do not worry about this exam and have confidence on yourself, because these 2 points, although they sound very kind of motivating and nothing of substance, but this will make a difference in how you prepare for these 5 days and how do you give the exam. So please focus on this. This is equally important as the other points. So yeah, do not worry and have confidence on yourself. You've prepared and you have the knowledge, and you will definitely clear the exam. And there are still 5 days remaining. So optimize that time and try to clear this exam. And we wish you all the very best for the same. If you have any doubt, any questions, any clarifications, do visit our Telegram channel or contact us. And yeah, all the best. Thank you very much.